for class 7 and 8.
Physical and chemical changes. Before we are discussing details about physical and chemical changes, first we will discuss what is changes. Changes are an important feature of nature. Some changes are fast and can be noticed immediately, while others take a long time to happen. All changes may involve alternation of shape, size, color, state, etc. Change in the law of nature which occurs everywhere. Now we will discuss on the basis of created in nature changes divided into two parts. Natural changes, man-made changes. Natural changes, changes that can take place in nature is called natural changes. For example, change in season, flowering of plants. Man-made changes, changes that take place due to human activities, for which one prepared or made by the human, that is called the man-made changes. It is also called the artificial changes. For example, cooking of food, burning of fuel. Changes on the basis of time taken divided into two parts. Slow changes, fast changes. Slow changes, changes that take a long time like hours, days, months or years to occur. For example, growth of plant, rusting of iron. Fast changes, changes which takes place within a very short period of time. Example, burning of paper. Changes divided into two parts. The basis of the conditions, the reversible and irreversible. Reversible changes that can reverse by reversing the condition. The substance change back to their original substance. Ice changes to water when we give heat. Water changes to ice. When we cool water, water changes to ice. Irreversible changes in which the substances cannot be brought back to their original state after the change. For example, burning of paper like milk changes to curd. Changes on the basis of interval of time divided into two parts. Periodic changes, non-periodic changes. Periodic changes, the change which are repeated at regular interval of time. For example, change in season, phases of the moon, swing of a pendulum. All these are examples of periodic changes. Non-periodic changes, changes which are not repeated at regular interval of time are non-periodic change. For example, eruption of a volcano, cyclic storm. Changes on the basis of benefits divided into two parts. Desirable and undesirable changes. Desirable changes which are beneficial for us are called desirable changes. For example, formation of curd from milk, formation of manure from waste. Undesirable changes, changes that bring about destruction are called undesirable changes. For example, flood, spoiling of food, earthquake. Note, for example, burning of fuel for cooking is a desirable change, but burning of fuel in a factory is an undesirable change. Second example, melting of snow from the mountains that feed perennial river is desirable, while the melting of ice from glaciers causing flood is undesirable. Another example is rain is a desirable change, but heavy rain causing flood is an undesirable change. We discuss about the changes on the basis of composition. On the basis of composition, what is the meaning of composition? The compound or substance made up of which elements, that is called the composition. On the basis of composition, changes divided into two parts, physical changes, chemical change. the change in which no new substances are formed, the composition of the substances remains the same and changes are temporary. These changes are called physical changes. Important point is no new substances are formed. The changes are temporary changes. For example, freezing of water, melting of ice. Chemical changes, the change in which new substances are formed. The composition and properties of the substances changes and changes are permanent. Burning of paper, all these are comes under the chemical changes because new substances are formed and these changes are the permanent changes.
Thank you.